Hi guys, Marau here, aka the Lazy Makoti, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my amazing oxtail. Trust me, everyone is going to love this recipe. So let's get straight into it. So the very first thing we're going to do is to lightly dust some flour onto our oxtail. I think I'm actually going to season with some salt and pepper before we start actually browning our oxtail. So the flour gives a nice coating for when we are browning it, and it's going to help with like thickening the sauce when we eventually get everything inside the pot. So now that our oxtail is nice and brown, has that beautiful color, we're going to remove it from our pan. In the same pot where we left all of this flavor, we're going to cook the rest of our oxtail. Just saute our onion. And the next thing I'm going to add is my favorite thing ever. And today I'm going to be using just the garlic. And then now for the rest of our veggies, a few sprigs of thyme, but you can use whatever herb you like. Add about a half a can of these tomatoes, as well as 1 bay leaf, and season with some salt and pepper. Now to build in more flavor into our oxtail stew, some red wine. It doesn't have to be expensive wine, so save all your good stuff. I like to add some sugar, some beef stock, then about a half a cup of water. And then we're just gonna allow this to cook until our meat is nice and tender and falling off the bone. So for the last about 30 minutes of our oxtail cooking, we're just gonna add in some sweet corn. Let it cook and soak in that delicious sauce. And then we're gonna let this cook with the rest of the oxtail. I'm just gonna turn everything, and now we are almost there. So at this point you can cook it without the lid, just for your sauce to thicken nicely, and soon you'll be ready to serve. Guess what's ready? Our oxtail stew. And there it is in all its glory. Ta-da! And it just smells amazing. It's tender and it's going to be falling off the bone. And I think I'm going to serve this today with some mash. You can even serve it with some rice or even some pap. It really goes with everything. It's that delicious. So let me know how it goes.